Hi guys, this is 2008 Toyota Hilux. So this one has a problem. The airbag light is on and the horn doesn't work. So I'm going to do the replace for the Clockspring and locate it in here. We have to remove the airbags and the steering wheel, take it out, have to replace. So when I start the car, you can see the horn doesn't work. It's not beeping, and the airbags light is on. You can see there. So we have to off this thing, the airbag unit. They have some two bolt in here. You can see some screw in there. You can use the T30, put it in here. You have to take it out. So I already took off these two side screws. Then you can take it out the airbag assembly. You can see the airbag connector. We have to off that one. Like this. And this is the horn earth wire. You can off this one on the lead side. So after that, we off this connector. So then you have to off this the 19mm bolt, because I put the one mark in here because you need to know the center of the wheel, like this. Okay, and after put the same mark, same position, the 19mm bolt. So then hit it the both side. Let it wiggle it. You can take it out, the wheel out. So then after, again, two screws in here. You can off that too. So you can lift this part, big like that. Okay. So you can see here two connector in here. One, the one airbag connector. Okay. Push back. Okay, so two connector in here. So then after that you have to lift it up, this is close, the top side one. Okay, then after last one. Gotta take it out. This is the locking close. Two. So there's a three. Okay. This one you can find the center. You can see in here some the triangle mark in here. This one have to line up in here. in here. So one arrow mark in the top, other one is the bottom here. This is the center. We can find the center. We turn this one. There's a mark here. Okay. 1, 2, and 2.5 spiral cable. Then after center in here, 1, 2. So that is the middle. Then after again this center to turn the left, 1, 2, center, then 2.5. Okay, and again I get the center, 1, 2. Okay, that is the center. The all turn is the 5 turns. Again 2.5, 2.5, left hand side and right hand side. So that's the spiral cable is working. So this is the old one. Then so I got the new one here. New spiral cable. We no need for this connector. We actually used in the orange connector. This one. So after that we have to put it back, this one, like go this way. This is the locking pin. Okay, then put the airbag connector and the spiral cable connector. Good. So put it back. So after that he tied the 2 screws. Okay, so you can see it's a new one. I still not unlock the pin. The triangle marks in the center facing of each other. So this is the center. So then after we off the locking pin off, snap. Okay, that's it. We don't need this part again. Now you can turn the spiral cable. You can choose anywhere, left or right. Then after you have to put the steering wheel back in. So remember we marked in here the position to here. Put same spot, steering wheel straight. Okay. Then put the $19mm nut. Then tight the knot, hold the steering wheel. Don't too much force. Yeah. So then after put back the horn clip, the wire, and put the earth wire in here into the, it's a yellow one, yellow and orange one, put in here and lock it in here, push that down. Okay, this is the wire of the cruise control going in here. Then I put normally two in here. This is aftermarket one, not in the genuine Toyota. So I put that one in this way. Okay, put it back, all good. So after that we all the done, the complete the job. So extremely okay, we tied the two screw, middle bolts, everything. Now I have to go to start, then have a look. The cord is still there. So the airbag light is gone. Make sure the horn is working. Yeah, horn all good. And the airbag lights gone. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one. Thanks.